Good morning world, welcome to Big Dos Vlogs. I'm here today with Cody and Cameron, and we're filming Santa Beatbox's video. I'm dressed up as an elf already. I literally have tights on. You can kind of see my leg hair through the tights, which is super gross. Cody got a Santa costume that doesn't fit just right, so we're back at the fun store. That's actually what it's called, the fun store. And we're gonna get him a new Santa costume. Let's get it, guys. Feliz Navidad. Oh. Hey, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, how are you?
Good. How do I look?
Good.
Thanks. Looking pretty good, Santa. Oh yeah, you look real good. That's a Santa costume right there.
Yeah.
Is it better?
Oh yeah, much better. Cameron, I know you're just filming, but you're gonna have to wear some reindeers. It's part of the job. Oh, that looks so good. You'd be sticking out like a sore thumb. Filming. Like, is that reindeer filming? He knows how to work a camera?
Some dude shoots me because he's hunting.
We just found a, what is it? It's the padded belly vest. So it makes you look fat. I won't need it, but you will.
Hey there, welcome to Big Don's TV. My name's Ernie.
Stop texting, Santa. Let's get out of here. Let's go make this darn video.
Okay. Just making sure Miss Claus know that.
Well, don't talk about Miss Claus while the camera's on, okay? Yeah, so we're officially set up, ready to go. Santa, how you feeling?
Yeah, I feel.
You feel? You feel it?
Yeah, I feel good.
All right, let's go get some scenes. Hey, I love your sweater.
Thanks, man.
Can we beatbox for you? We're beatbox caroling.
No, thank you. I'm on lunch. I only have 30 minutes.
Well, this is 30 seconds and it'll make your day.
Thank you, though.
You're on the naughty list.
Is that gonna get big, though?
Yeah.
Okay.
What? Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Hey, come and take a listen.
Take a look.
Yeah, you too. Take a listen. We are beatboxing.
Okay.
What's your name?
Marie.
Marie. Nice to meet you. I'm Elf and this is Santa.
Buddy the elf or just elf?
Well, I'm related to Buddy, but
yeah.
my name is just Elf.
Okay.
Yeah. So, you want to take a listen?
Sure.
Okay, check it out. You like that?
Yeah.
Thank you. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose.
And if you ever saw him, you would even say it glows. Wow, the dance moves. All of the other
reindeer
used to laugh and call him names. You stop singing.
the red-nosed reindeer.
I'm dancing.
Join in many reindeer games.
Yo, Merry Christmas.
Yeah, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw him, you would say it glows. Wow,
Yeah.
are you guys doing this just for fun?
No, we're Santa. This is
You're
work.
right, it's work.
We're on the clock.
For Christmas.
Yeah.
I forgot about that.
Okay.
There you go. There you go. Thank you. good? Thank you. Thank you.
That was awesome.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah.
Chest bump.
Chest bump. Ugh.
We're killing it, Santa.
Oh,
Good job. You keep beatboxing, I'll keep dancing. We're spreading Christmas cheer loud for all to hear.
and that's what it's all about.
Hey.
How are you?
We're spreading Christmas cheer. You guys want to hear a beatbox from Santa?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Serve me off jingle bells.
Okay. Are you guys ready?
Ready.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey!
Yay!
Good job, Santa.
Yeah, good job. Good job.
Thank you.
Good job. Very talented.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You like that shit? That's cool.
Yeah. Merry Christmas.
Yeah, you too.
Ho ho ho. 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 Let me show you how we do it in the North Pole. Ho ho ho. Ho ho ho. Ho ho ho. Ho ho ho.
Why haven't you done that one yet?
I don't know.
You gotta do that next. We can't end without doing that. It's freaking money.
Ho ho ho. Ho
Oh, hoes.
Oh, I thought I had a bug in my beard as my belt flapped. Oh, that's how we do it.
Yeah.
That's how we do it in the North Pole.
You like that?
Yeah, very good. Very good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a great day, guys.
You
too.
too.
Merry
Merry Christmas.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Ho
Hey.
ho. Yo.
That's it, yeah. Right there. What'd you think?
I like it.
Thanks. Shake it out, man.
Yo. Get him. Yo, Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
Okay.
You like that?
Yeah. I love it. You guys did great, especially the hype man. Continuing. He wanted some more.
Yo, let me show you how we do it in the North Pole.
Santa, what are you doing out? You are super busy. Christmas right around the corner.
Yeah, a lot of kids probably won't get presents this year, but I have to beatbox for people. It's worth it.
You could just give them CDs and stuff.
Spreading
Yeah.
Christmas cheer is more important than giving material things. Am I right?
You are so right. Good job.
Oh, that was
You
good.
like that?
Yeah.
Merry Christmas.
You too.
Yeah.
Bye.
Merry Christmas.
See ya.
Yo. Merry Christmas.
That's what's up.
Thank you.
That?
That's Merry Christmas.
Merry
y'all.
Christmas.
Thank you for
Y'all put it on
listening.
YouTube? Y'all put it on YouTube?
YouTube.
Yeah, our friend's filming it.
Yeah.
Is it cool if we use that?
Yeah, go ahead.
All right, man,
That's
cool.
Appreciate it,
Hey,
man.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, man. Either however y'all want to do it.
Okay,
Uh,
you like that? Snail.
oh, okay. All right, man. Dolphin.
Oh,
How about this one? How about this one? North Pole. Oh, the ball on top.
shut up, Santa.
Take it easy, man. I gotta get back to work, man.
All right, man. Take care. Merry Christmas.
Ho 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 ho. Ho 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 ho. Ho 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 ho. Ho 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 ho. Yeah, you like that?
I don't even need no Christmas gift.
Oh,
Hey,
that's what it's
we're
about.
going for.
Man, thanks, man.
Christmas
It's
spirit.
icier than the North Pole, am I right?
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah. Is it right we use that for our YouTube video?
Yeah, you go.
All right, cool. Thanks, man.
Thanks, man.
Merry Christmas. Money shot. That's what we needed right there.
Ho, ho, ho.
All right, cool. We're done. Good job, baby.
Let's go get a beer.
Well, boys, just finished up an awesome Christmas video. How you feel?
I feel like I'm done.
good.
I feel good. I'm done being Santa. I'm done having
Yeah, that beard
on
was
my
just
face,
right in your
man.
face, man.
It was hard to beat by.
It was.
Right
Cameron
on
did
my
an
face.
awesome job filming. You know, the hype man. I killed it on the dance floor, as always. That's all I can really do in his videos because I have no beatboxing talent. So it's always fun just kind of doing nothing. And I think we're gonna go to the bar, maybe get a brewski. Me and this guy.
We're gonna pound one.
We're gonna pound one Santa style. Anyways, if you guys haven't subscribed to Cody yet, make sure you do so. He killed it. So, you know, does all sorts of beatboxing stuff. Bro, pay attention. I'm shouting you out, man. You gotta like, are you there? Cody, hey.
Oh.
I love you.
I love you.
Let's go get a beer.
Yeah.
All right, so Cameron's not 21. He can't go into the bar. See you later, bro.
See ya.
Love you.
Love you too.
Love you more.
Bye, baby.
I guess you won't be seeing Cody, so it's a sad goodbye.
Bye, baby.
Oh no, they're crying. To Santa.
Santa Claus.
Hey! What is going on here? Hey, I'm the real Santa now. This is absolutely insane. I don't know what the chances are I ran into these guys. Well, we're wearing the same outfits.
Literally this.
This is absolutely ridiculous. 1 in a million. Hey guys, Merry Christmas. Group hug, bring it in.
Merry Christmas, guys.
Oh, yeah. It's still warm actually. It feels good. Yeah, of course.
Hell yeah.
Oh, thank you. You guys got to dance for us. We're going to dance for you. There we go. See you later, man. We're going home right now. Gonna see the dog. Gonna edit this video. We're trying to get this video up tomorrow. So if you're watching this right now, that's like, what?
It might be up already.
No, it'll be up.
Yeah.
I'm gonna drop the vlog. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
I'm gonna drop the vlog and the prank at the same time. And yeah, so we gotta go home. We gotta grind. We gotta see Nike. Hey guys. Oh, there's little Nike. There's a beautiful wife. How are you? Nike, what's up, boy? And he's gone. You like, can you see my leg hair? Isn't that attractive?
You can see your boxers.
Yeah, I know. It's kind of embarrassing. At least they're Christmas themed a little bit. Did he fall asleep, Daisy? Watch out, girl. You're stepping on him. You woke him up. Did this little guy fall asleep on the Santa costume? Nike, what's up, boy? Yo, so I'm editing the video. The little man is just chilling here on my desk. How adorable is this, guys? How adorable is this? I'm obsessed with this little puppy. Oh, look at him yawn. Are you tired, buddy? Are you tired? Nike! No, you can't do that. What are you doing, Nike?
Like, this will help me defeat my fears.
He sees his reflection. He's been freaking out at it.
Oh.
You don't want to pick a fight with Daisy Duke.
She'll bite your ear off.
He's like, I'm gonna go defeat my reflection. Oh my god, this is hilarious. He really thinks there's another dog out there.
Daisy, come help me. Come help me.
He's like, guys, come on, there's another dog out there. We gotta do something.
She's like, what, bro?
He looks just like me. Oh. He wants to play with you.
Oh. Oh, you're funny.
Oh, come on, he wants to play with you. Good boy, Chief. Thanks for trying to play with little Nike. Come out from under the table, Nike, it's okay.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. This dog is hilarious. Yeah, Chief's trying to play with him. Nike, come on. Yo guys, so it's 5 in the morning right now. Me and Cody have been editing all night, making this video. We're finally about to drop it. His Lyft driver just got here. He's going to the airport, headed back to Michigan. Bring it in, brother.
See you, man.
Thanks for coming out and making the video. Make
Thanks
sure you
for
guys
having me.
subscribe to this guy. I'm gonna leave his link in the description, so make sure you hook it up, subscribe to him, tell him who sent you, and that's gonna be it. Any last words for the video? Peace, guys.